Alright guys, so I have finally reached Helmet Hub Store, which is right behind me. This is my bike. We're going to be installing the rear tire hugger. So he had installed my handlebar risers last time and he had installed my horn. So he's installing the rear tire hugger right now on my bike. Now it's been only about 1 week that I got this bike from servicing, and you can see that the chain has already started to rust. You have a lot of bikes coming up to this place to get the job done. So they install fog lights, anything that has got to do with bike. They have all the accessories. They've got helmets. They've got intercom systems. So this is a good place. The only thing is that there's some construction work going on over here. So you have a problem with that. But otherwise, gets the job done. This is Helmet Hub. So that's the rear tire hugger. ये Triumph का ही है क्या? So this is the extension that you'll get. This is a Triumph product. हाँ तो ये ऐसा आएगा ना ये? आपका नाम क्या है मैं भूल गया. Abdullah. So he is the man behind all the bike job. हर वीडियो में अब्दुल्ला आपको मिलेंगे. So they put this paddock stand. So I'm getting the brackets installed for my number plate. It's charging me $200 for the back and the front. So this is Samir from Gabbar Graphics, charging me $150 to get both the stickers printed on either side of my bike.